Okay, so let's see how to use the filter function in Power BI. We have got this table, sales table, which has got product, sales amount, and year. Let's say we want to filter out this table, uh, and we want to see the table which has got the rows for only the year 2022. When we are using the filter option, what are we exactly doing? We are basically creating a subset of a given table. All right. So when I say subset, as I said, for this year, this simple table, this has got the values for 2021 and 22. We will filter it only for 2022, okay? And afterwards, I will tell you how it is different from the calculate function. Anyway, let's get started. So first of all, we'll go to the report view. Let's say I'll need a table, so I'll go to modeling and let's have a new table. Uh, let's name this table as the sales 2022. Let's say we want sales only for the year 2022. Now what do we need? We need the filter function. So I will use filter function. Then we need a table. What is the name of the table? As we know, the name of the table is sales. So I will use sales table, comma. I need to provide an expression. Now, what do we need to provide? We need to tell the Power BI that the year for this should be equal to 2022 because we want to create it only for, so we want to filter it for 2022, right? Then I will close it and I'll click enter. I've created this new table for sales 2022. Let's see how it looks. Go to home tab and let's have a new table. For that we'll need this table visual, and if you see here, okay, now if you see here, this is the new uh, uh, table that we have created. So I will just select the columns of this new table. Okay, it looks very small, so I'll just quickly make it uh, bigger. How do I do that? Just go to the formatting. Without wasting much time, let's make it 12, and the column headers also let's make it 12 and bold. Okay, this should be good enough. Now if you have a look at this table, this has got, this is summarized. So what we can do, we just click on this button and then we do not need summarization. So what I will do, I'll click on this small arrow and then uh, instead of sum, because currently we can see even the years are summarized. I mean, the sum is done for the years also. So let's click don't summarize. Now this looks better. Similarly for the sum of sales also, let's say we do not want to summarize, we just want to see the total number of rows. So as we can see now, there are total 4 number of rows, and all the 4 rows belongs to the year 2022. If you have a look at the original table, it had the values for 2021 and 22, but we have created a subset of this table which has got the values only for 2022. So this is how we use the filter function. Now, how is it different from the previous one, that is calculate function? In the calculate function, we were changing the filter context, which is not happening in this case. That's how it is different. All right. So I am sharing the data set. You can practice it on your own also. Thank you so much.